Part of our preparation, guys. Look at us. We're eating. Eh? Show them how you eat like a warrior. Eh? Stuff your face. Stuff your face with what's that? Sultanas. No, you stuff your face. Show them like this. Oh, that. You eat like that, huh? Yeah. Wow. Cha. With feelings. Bantay bitog din ni kadagan unya. Ha?
Pas dagan. Pas dagan aron kadaog.
Ha?
Palit og green.
Nga para makadaog ipalit og bread. So Christine's happy place is going for a swim on the beach. Oh, dali na! Dali! Run for mommy! Wow! Christine is dying for a swim. Every time she sees water, she wants to swim. Hey? Uh-oh! No! Not on mommy. Look! I'm dirty now. Ow! Christine! Wow! Wow! Look at you! Wow! She's really loving this. Wow, I think she knows she's going for a race. That's her preparation, guys. Eh? Her preparation. Strong legs. You can do it, Christine. You can do it, Christine. Go, go, go. Eh? Preparing your legs, your arm strings, and your hamstrings, and your bum strings. My baby looks like a warrior. Part of our preparation, guys. Look at us. We're eating. Eh? Show them how you eat like a warrior. Eh? Stuff your face. Stuff your face with what's that? Sultanas. No, you stuff your face. Show them like this. Oh, that. You eat like that, huh? Yeah. Wow! Cha! With feelings. Bantay bitog din ni kadagan unya. Ha?
Pas dagan. Pas dagan aron kadaog.
Ha?
Palit og green.
Nga para makadaog ipalit og bread. Part of the preparation, guys. It's all part of the training. Drink a bottle of water. Ah, that's my kiddo right there. My athlete baby girl.
Kalaban mo dako ng edad.
Unsay kalaban ma?
Dako ng edad.
Ha? Tarungan na dia. Christine! Run! Hurry up! Run, Christine! I don't think we are a winner. We're gonna be a winner. I don't think so, but at least she's full, okay? Run! Hurry up! Hoy! Guys, she can't run. She's hungry. Very hungry. Since last night, she hasn't eaten nothing, huh? Christine! Christine is lining up for the racing. Okay, you run, okay, Christine? You run over there, you run, okay?
Put your hand up if
You
you're
run,
under 5.
okay, you run. Under 5.
Hand up if you're under
Okay.
5. Can we
Okay,
have
wait,
some
wait.
spectators down below? Oh, look.
You run later, you run over there and we get ice cream.
What a good group.
Yeah, you run.
A little happy too.
Okay, you run.
He's all ready to go. Hello kids, how are you? No, not yet. Are you looking to have a good day today? Yeah? Are you ready to do some running?
Okay, you run, okay,
I think
Christine?
you are.
Oh, you
I'll
run.
go down halfway.
1, 2,
You can
3,
join
run.
Daniel, if you want. Come and join in.
Yeah, that's about my,
Your level. Sorry? Yep. All right.
Jump,
boys and girls,
jump,
under
Christine,
5.
jump.
See this man in
Jump.
the blue? Wait a minute. You got to run towards him, okay? Are you ready?
Christine, you run, okay?
When I say 3, you run, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Run, Christine, run! Run, Christine! Go run! No? You did not run.
Well, now we're racing girls.
You did not run.
Do it again.
You did not run.
Line up again, boys and girls.
No ice cream,
The whole way.
no ice cream because she did not
All right,
run.
line up again, boys and girls, up here, the under 5. You're going to go back to your mums and dad, all right? That was all right. So,
See, you run, you run.
the other one? The pink one and the yellow.
Run. You run. See, they're running.
Pink one and yellow, yeah. All right, you go all the way back there. You're too big. Under 5s, are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
They're running, they're running. See, that's how they're running.
That doesn't look great. He's going the other way. Fantastic. Give him a big round of applause. That was fantastic, John. That's what I like to hear. When I say 3, you run. Are we ready, Darwin? Yeah! 1, 2, 3, all the way to the end.
Our Mendel Market beer can regatta is cut short because Christine was just getting so messy and complaining that she is full of sand. So you know what, that's it. So thank you so much for watching and supporting the babies running around and everything. So thank you for that. Although Christine did not end up running, but we had fun, we had fun roaming around. So thank you for watching.